Welcome. And in this session, we solve one more problem. That's a wave problem, but that's a little difficult. Okay. So let's see another example. So it says uxt satisfies the wave equation. Satisfies the wave equation. It's utt equal to uxx. Fine. And they have given one condition: u half 0 will be equal to 1 by 4, and u1 comma half will be equal to 1, and u 0 comma half will be equal to 1 by 2. Then they are asking what will happen at u half comma 1. Okay, so this solution is quite trivial. So what do we say? Assume the solution is given by, okay, so assume the solution is given by, okay, so there is no g here basically, so we can expect that this is just f of x. Okay, so in the D'Alembert solution, that integral part will not be there that I had mentioned. So solution will be only just uxt will be equal to, it was earlier half of f of x plus st, but I'll ignore that half and say this half is absorbed here. Okay, so phi 1 of x plus ct plus phi 2 of x minus ct. Okay, so assume the solution is given by this quantity. Okay, and now since u of half comma 0 equal to 4, okay, so let us apply this condition here inside and get u half comma 0 will be 4. That will give me phi of half comma 0. So when t is 0, this quantity will be just phi of 1 by 2. Okay, so phi 1 of 1 by 2, and this one will be again phi 2 of same again 1 by 2. Okay, so I call this equation 1. Okay, now another equation I have, u1 comma 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so let's plug in this quantity and you get 1 equal to phi 1 of, it's c here is 1. Okay, so we will ignore in fact c. Okay, let me write down another expression for this. So that will give me phi of x plus t plus phi 2 of x minus t. Okay, now that will be easy. Now x plus t means half plus 1 will give me 3 by 2, and plus phi 2 of 1 minus half will give me just half. Okay, so this is equation 2. Now using this quantity I'll find out equation 3. So u 0 comma half will be equal to half, which guarantees half will be equal to phi 1 of, it's basically half, basically phi of 0 plus half will be half, and then phi 2 of, now I have here x minus t, so that will give me minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2. So this is my equation 3. Okay, that's perfect. And now I need half comma 1. Okay, so u of half comma 1 will be, let's say x. Okay, so this x we have to find out. So this x will be equal to phi 1 of half plus 1 will give me 3 by 2, and plus phi 2 of half minus 1 will give me minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that's my equation 4. Now let me write down these 4 equations, and what we have to do, we have to eliminate all these quantities and find out our x anyhow using anything. Okay, so let us solve them. Fine, so what we can expect in fact. Okay, let's see. Let me call this equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and 4. Now I'll add, and now let me make one correction. I think it is 1 by 4, not just 4, it is 1 by 4. This is again 1 by 4. Okay, now I'll add equation 1 and 2. Oh, not 1 and 2, I'll not get anything. If I see this, see, oh, we don't have all these values given, so we can think of using one equation in the form of other one. So if I add 2 and 3, see what I'm getting. this term and this term when added. So this will give me x here, and this phi of 2 and phi of 2 will give me another equation. Okay, so I'll add equation 2 and 3. Okay, so adding equation 2 and 3. Okay, so if I add 2 and 3, what I'm getting here, check. 1.5 will get added, that will give me 3 by 2. Okay, so I get here 3 by 2 will be equal to phi 1 of, now let's write on equation 3, that's 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, so phi 1 of 3 by 2 plus phi 2 of 1 by 2, and plus equation 3 was phi of 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, so let's write down this. Phi of 1 by 2 and plus phi 2 of minus 1 by 2. Okay, now just look at this, because I don't have all these values, but I can think of applying this. See, I know that phi of 3 by 2 and phi 2 of minus 1 by 2 means this quantity together and this quantity together gives me equation 4, and equation 4 will give me x. Okay, because this thing is nothing but x. Okay, and remaining quantity will give me this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will give me 1 by 4. Okay, so right side is nothing but x plus 1 by 4. Okay, so x can be easily found using this. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 will give you 3 into 2 6 minus 1 5 by 4. So I got u of what was needed, half comma 1. So u of half comma 1 is nothing but 5 by 4. Okay, half comma 1 is nothing but 5 by 4. You can also solve the same problem using a simple method. Okay, so let me explain this. All right, now let me use this thing. Yeah, okay, so let's draw these points and see where they are located on a graph. Okay, let me draw this. Okay. Yeah, please forgive my bad drawing, I'm very bad at it. 0 0 is not included, in fact, so we should stay away from this. Let us see where this point is included. Half comma 0 will be here somewhere. So this point, well, I'll name them. In fact, this is A, and this is B, and this is C. I'll name this to be D. So half comma 0 is A here. Okay, so this is my A. Okay, and now 1 comma 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 1 and 1 by 2 will be here somewhere. Okay, so this point is my B. Okay, and now u of 0 1 by 2. Okay, so x is 0, y is half, so basically this quantity, okay, is my C, and this certainly should be D. Okay, 0 comma 1 must be here. Okay, so now if you join them, so see what you're getting. Basically join this, yeah, and then join this one, and then join this, and now join this finally. Okay. Now if you look at this diagram very carefully, then you can even write down the solution by this formula. Okay, it also gives you just simply equate them. Just this quantity is your D. Okay, so the solution should satisfy this quantity. That means u of a opposite vertices means sum of the opposite vertices must be equal. So u of a plus u of D must be equal to u of B plus u of C. Okay, let us see what we get. So what is u of A? That's 1 by 4. Okay, and u of D that we need, so it will be x here. And what is u of B? That is 1, and u of C is again 1. Okay, so you see this equation also gives you x equal to, this quantity is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so you get 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4, still you get 5 by 4. Okay, so even that is one method, and I'm sure you would like this one. okay, because nobody expects you to solve all these things. You can simply apply this opposite vertices method and find out the answer. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.